Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change active hours in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to update and security options, Windows Update, recovery and backup. And now we need to go to the left panel and select here Windows Update. Here you need to find here this one option, change active hours. It is set currently from 8 AM to 5 PM. If you want to change these hours, you need to click here and then you need to click change. Now you need to set start time and end time. For example, I select here 7 and maybe I will select here end time to 6 PM. Okay, then you need to approve change by clicking here. And if you want to change these hours, you need to click save button. Now we need to click back here, and how you see active hours has been successfully changed. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.